So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Andre Homerez and I'm from DSHM1B. So, for today's afternoon, I am presenting the Best of Me by Nicholas Sparks. So, introduction. The Best of Me by Nicholas Sparks is an heartfelt story about love, loss, and lasting impact of emotional connections. Set in a small North California town, it follows Amanda and Dawson, two high school sweethearts who reconcile after personal struggles. Sparks rich characters development and prose of encourage readers to reflect on second chances and the impact of first love. So, Amanda and Dawson is two high school sweethearts. So, higang nga duwa is magkasintahan or nag-iibigan. That is it. So, I choose this book because its titles capture the essence of who we are, being our best in ourselves, like the best of me. It focuses or it features ourselves being who we are, and that's why I choose the best of me. So the summary. The Best of Me tells the heartwarming of Amanda and Dawson, two high school sweethearts who are split up due to the event and expectation from their families. When they are reunited at the funeral years later, they must face their history and the deep feelings they still have one and another. Their reconnection forced them to examine their decisions and directions their lives have been taken. So, Amanda and Dawson is nag-break or nag-split up. Nag-split up nila because of events sa legal schools and of course expectations of their families. And while attending Dawson's and Amanda's funeral, their reconnection forced them to examine their history and deep feelings. So, nakita hira and may nafe-feel pa nila ha usap-usap. The main characters is Dawson. Dawson is an introspective man who came from a background. Second, Amanda. So Amanda is a strong and ambitious woman who grew up in the same small town as Dawson. The third person is Tuck. Tuck is an elderly man and a mentor-like figure to both Dawson and Amanda. Next is Frank. Frank is a Dawson uncle, representing the darker side of Dawson families. Last is Jared. Jared is Amanda's ex-husband and the father of her children. So the theme of the story is love. The internal power of love lies at the heart of the story, despite of their years apart and the challenges they encounter. Amanda and Dawson, the main characters, have a strong and enduring bond. It emphasizes how enduring the true love is and how it frequently bring people back to one another. So, Ang theme nga story or book is Love of Amanda and Dawson. Good. So, the passage of the time is the book highlights how people and their situation can change over time. It also can be represent chances for personal development. Message. The main takeaway from the best of me is that love, resilience, and can be withstand hardships and time. It highlights the human spirits and the possibility of second chances. Favorite scene. My favorite part or scene is Amanda and Dawson, the main protagonist, reunite after long separation is one of my favorite. Like, the best ko yung feeling for Amanda and Dawson, like, after aniga kaiha nga nagbulagira kay high school sweethearts manggod hira, so ang kadako na niga ang talaga funeral, then talaga nagkamiadan reconnection and hatag sa, so the best ko yung scene na magkikita ka mo otro, pero ang iyong feelings na duwa is aad to lagi hapon, and a strong emotional moments is produced by the combination of unresolved emotion. So, would I recommend it? Why or why not? If you like love, dramas, and sadness, I would suggest The Best of Me. So, the conclusion is, readers are drawn into the bittersweet reunion of Amanda and Dawson in the moving epilogue of The Best of Me. Those love stories has endured the test of time and circumstances.